Yeah. Some of the old welds, there's a little bit. Too hot before I get that on there, but yeah. Now we can leave it running long enough to get, I put new gaskets under the hood, a whole bunch of them, and so we got to get all that seated in. That's what that little smoky stuff is. That's for me doing that. I gotta need to let it run long enough, and I got a new inside door handle. We'll do a different video for that, and this thing's about ready to put on the road. I'm ready.